Hello everyone, this is Melissa from Grandma's Homestead Haven. In today's video, I am going to show you how I make two wreaths. I'm going to make a smaller one and a larger one, and we're going to do this on a budget. If you're like me and you look at those beautiful wreaths on Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel, but you can't justify spending $129 for one wreath, but you really love that look, well, I am going to show you how to do that today and on a budget. All right, so let's get started. All right, so let me show you how simple and fast and inexpensive it is to make your own wreath. Okay, so all you need is some zip ties. I just have these really lightweight, thin ones. A pair of scissors to trim your zip ties off. I have this ring from a tomato cage. It snapped off a tomato cage. Okay. And then I have a half a piece of garland. This is about 3 feet of garland. Now, I got this garland from Hobby Lobby. I tried to get it from Walmart, the Texas house garland, that's cedar, but they were sold out. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I found this real drapey, really pretty garland. And we are going to use a half a strand of that. So all we're going to do is we are going to zip tie the stem to the ring. Okay, so it's that simple. I mean, anybody can do this. A kid can do this. So let's just start out by zip tying it onto our ring and start it. So there we go. We're just going to get it started. And we're just going to go all the way around every couple of inches. And we are going to zip tie the stem to our metal ring. So I know that many of you out there are gardeners like I am, and you know that these tomato cages, these rings break off. So save your rings, because that's what I do. I figured someday I would have a reason to use these nice thick metal rings, and I thought, man, I really want one of those pretty wreaths from Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel, but I didn't want to have to pay $129 for a beautiful wreath. So I said, well, let's make it. It cannot be that difficult. It's just, look at that. Look at how beautiful that's turning out already. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I've seen where they have some wreaths where it's just on the bottom like that, and then they leave the wire exposed up here. You could do that also, but I'm going to go all the way around. Okay, so we will be trimming these zip ties off. Pull them nice and tight. Let's get our scissors. Okay, so the garland is 50% off at Hobby Lobby right now. You know how they have their sales every week. So Christmas stuff is 50% off. So go and get you a strand of garland if you don't have some beautiful garland already at your house. You can just use something that you already have and make your wreath for free. All you need is zip ties, a ring from your tomato cage, or something similar. If you have some wire, make you a circle. Maybe you have like one of those wire wreaths that you can get at like a Dollar Tree that you make a wreath with. You could use that too. You might have to put like more than one wrap around it though to cover up that metal frame. But you can get a hanger and make a circle. So all I'm doing is I am just zip tying this every couple of inches just to keep it nice and snug. Making sure that I push the branches forward so they're not in the zip tie. So we're just going to pull that real tight and then just clip it off. Okay. All right, everyone. So here are the 2 wreaths that I made. So let's recap. I bought 2 strands of 6-foot garland at Hobby Lobby. I have 2 metal rings left from tomato cages. Okay. The ring on this side is 13 inches across. The ring on this side was 12 inches across. Okay. The wreaths look different because I used a different amount of garland. I'm showing you how you can make your wreath or your centerpiece different looks, okay? So on this one, I went around 2 times on the ring with garland. It took 1 1/2 strands of 6-foot garland. On this one, I only went around 1 time and I used 3 feet of garland. So you can see the different look you get with how much garland you add. But other than that, the wreaths are made exactly the same. You're just going to zip tie two times around if you want it fuller, or 1 time around if you like it like that. So for a centerpiece, I prefer this one, but this is also really cute as a wreath too. I really like it. You can add pine cones, you can add berries, you can add some bells, you can add some lights, ribbon, bows, whatever you want. It's your wreath. I really love it, and it's so inexpensive. Look, I got 2 of these high dollar looking wreaths made for a total of $40 because the garland is on sale for half price, and with the half price it's $20 for each strand that's 6 foot. I got 2 strands, so that's $40 plus tax. Okay, so for $40 total, I made 2 high dollar Pottery Barn crate and barrel looking wreaths or use them for centerpieces on your table. Now, this one right here is like 26 inches across. It actually could be wider if you spread out that even more, but just the way it's laid, it's like 26 inches across. So yeah, it's pretty big and it looks beautiful on the door, and this is going to look beautiful on my table. Well, guys, I just want to say thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.